to the people of the world. We, the people of Aceh, West Papua and South Maluku, gather here today before this magnificent building. The Human Rights Council, the City of Peace, Geneva, Switzerland. We gather here today to pay our solidarity and tributes to tens of thousands and possibly hundreds of thousands of our peoples who have died in the hands of Indonesian military as the victims of gross violations of human rights. We are here today to call the international community, especially the UN, to immediately stop these ongoing violations of human rights, which have been perpetrated by Indonesia for over 16 years with impunity. We are here today to bring to your attention that Indonesia is the only colonial country on this planet, condoned by the international community and the UN to rule over an area of a continental-sized Europe, by killing hundreds of thousands of indigenous people of Aceh, West Papua and the South Maluku. If the human rights perpetrations in other countries ended up in the Hague as war criminals, Indonesian perpetrators have become potential candidates in the next year's presidential elections. Once again, we urge you to stop this aggression and support the rights to self-determination of these peoples. That's the only way to end this continued madness by the regime. Thank you.
What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you